Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Roxy. If this is your first time here, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you do so. I would love to have you join the fam. Also, leave me a like if you like this type of content. Let me know down below in the comments if you have a Neverfull, if you love it, if you hate it, if you plan to get one, and if there are any types of videos that you would like to see from me in the future. Also, let me know that down below in the comments so that I can work on making that video for you. Today I'm here with a video on an insert that I purchased for this bag, which is my Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the MM size. This is the insert that I picked up. I purchased this off of Amazon. I will put a link to this down below in the comments in case you are interested in getting it. I really like this insert. I love the shape of it. I love the angled corners, and you'll be able to see later on why I love these angled corners so much. So let's go ahead and get into why we are here. And I'm sorry for the lighting, you guys. It's a pretty cloudy behind day today. So yeah, so I'm gonna turn the lights on though when we start looking at the bag. We're gonna do a little bit of a reverse what's in my bag. So we're gonna throw the insert in the bag, see how it fits, and then put some stuff in there and see how it looks after that. So if that is something you're interested in, go ahead, stay tuned, and let's get into it. This is my Neverfull all packed with the insert and all of my stuff inside. As you can see, it still has its tote bag shape, and I think that comes of course from like the rounded angled corners on this insert, so it fits in here perfectly and helps it to continue looking like a tote bag. So overall, I'm really loving this insert.